Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a very elegant mansion for sale. It is located in the prestigious residential community of Ocean Ridge, St. Mary, just 15 minutes away from the tourist resort of Ocho Rios, 7 minutes from the Ian Fleming International Airport, and 16 minutes from the James Bond Beach. With an ocean view and pristine surroundings, void of air and noise pollution. This 10-bedroom, 9-bathroom dwelling with 2 self-contained flats presents the perfect living space for those who especially love nature. Sitting on 0.45 acres, this home boasts over 9,000 square feet of spacious living in a luxurious setting with high ceilings and double floor to ceiling windows and a private balcony for each room to meet the need for individual comfort and solitude. The elegant kitchen and dining spaces, encased in beautifully carved mahogany cabinets and fixtures, and extensive living areas make the property the life dream for a large family, yet flexible enough for a small family, with opportunity for luxurious income generating accommodation. Call today for a viewing appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 590,000, Jamaican 93 million, Canadian 844.5 thousand, or 458.5 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.